नमस्ते दोस्तों, स्मार्ट माइंड्स ट्यूटोरियल्स में आपका स्वागत है। आइए आज कुछ नया सीखें।
Let us continue with exercise 4.1 from complex numbers and quadratic equations. So the first question is, express each of the following complex numbers in the form a plus ib. So let us say z is equal to 5i into minus 3 by 5. Over here 5 and 5 get cancelled. That is minus 3i. Now you can see the real part is 0 here. You don't have any real part. So we write 0 plus I into minus 3. This is in a plus ib form, where a is 0 and b is minus 3. Okay. Then the next question is I power 9 plus I power 19. So how do we solve this? I power 9 plus I power 19. I power 9 can be written as I power 8 into I. I power 19 can be written as I power 18 into I. Now I power 8 we can write it as I square whole power 4 into I. And I power 18 can be written as I square whole power 9 into I. Now I square is minus 1 whole power 4 into I plus minus 1 whole power 9 into I. Always remember minus 1 raised to the power even number is always plus 1. And minus 1 raised to the power odd number is minus 1. So that is minus 1 whole power 4 is 1. 1 into I minus 1 into I. So that is 0. So this, if you want to express it in a plus ib form, you can write 0 plus I into 0. Take the next question, I power minus 39. So we know that a power minus 1 is 1 by a. So the same way, I power minus 39 can be written as 1 by I power 39. Now I power 39 can be written as I power 38 into I. Now I power 38 can be written as I square whole power 19 into I. I square can be written as minus 1 whole power 19 into I. As I told you, minus 1 raised to an odd number is minus 1. So that is minus I. Now to remove this I from the denominator, we need to multiply and divide by I. So that is I by minus I square. We know that I square is minus 1. So minus into minus 1. I by 1, that is equal to I. Now how to write this in a plus ib form? 0 plus I into 1. Take the next question. 3 into 7 plus I into 7 plus I into 7 plus I7. So that is, let us multiply this into this, this into this, this into this, this into this. So 21 plus 21I plus 7I plus 7I square. That is 21 plus 7 is 28I minus 7. That is 14 plus 28I. So we can write this in a plus ib form as 14 plus I into 28. Take the next one, fifth one, 1 minus I minus of minus 1 plus I into 6. So that is, open the brackets first, 1 minus I, minus into minus will become plus 1, minus 6I. So 1 plus 1 is 2, minus 7I. This can be written in a plus ib form as 2 plus I into minus 7. Next, take the sixth one. 1 by 5 plus I into 2 by 5 minus 4 plus I into 5 by 2. So that is Open the brackets. 1 by 5 plus I into 2 by 5 minus 4 minus I into 5 by 2. Now first let us simplify 1 by 5 minus 4. Then in the next two I am taking plus I common. We will get 2 by 5 minus 5 by 2. So that is 1 minus 20 by 5 plus I into 4 minus 25 by 10. So that is minus 19 by 5 plus I into minus 21 by 10. This is itself is in A plus IB form. Now let us take the seventh question. This is the question. First we need to simplify the square bracket. So let us open the inner brackets first. So you will get 1 by 3 plus I into 7 by 3 plus 4 plus I into 1 by 3. Minus into minus will become plus 4 by 3 minus I. Now let us put all numbers in one bracket. So 1 by 3 plus 4 plus 4 by 3. And from these three terms we will take I common. So we will get 7 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1. If you add this 1 by 3 plus 4 by 3, you will get 5 by 3 plus 4 plus I into this is 8 by 3 minus 1. So if you take LCM, 5 plus 12 by 3 plus I into 8 minus 3 by 3. So that is equal to 17 by 3 plus I into 5 by 3. This is in A plus IB form. Take the next question, 1 minus I whole power 4. So we can write this as 1 minus I whole square, again whole square. So first let us expand 1 minus I whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab whole square. Now I square can be written as minus 1. So 1 minus 1 minus 2i whole square. 1 minus 1 get cancelled, that is minus 2i whole square, that is 4i square, which is equal to 4 into minus 1, that is minus 4. Now we can express it in A plus IB form as minus 4 plus, because there is no imaginary part, so minus 4 plus I into 0. This is in A plus IB form. Take the next question, 1 by 3 plus 3i whole cube. So you can see it is in the form A plus B whole cube. So for this you should know what is the formula for A plus B whole cube. So that is A cube plus B cube plus 3a square B plus 3ab square. So over here in the place of A you have 1 by 3. In the place of B you have 3i. So let us substitute. That is 1 by 3 whole cube plus 3i whole cube plus 3 into 1 by 3 whole square into 3i plus 3 into 1 by 3 into 3i whole square. Here 3 and 3 get cancelled. So that is 1 by 3 cube is 27 plus 3 cube is 27i cube plus 3 into 1 by 9 into 3i. So 3 into 3 is 9, 9 and 9 get cancelled plus 9i square. That is 1 by 27 plus 27. I cube we can write it as I square into I plus 9i square is minus 9 because I square is minus 1. So that is 1 by 27 minus 27i plus I minus 9. So that is real parts we will write in one bracket and imaginary part is minus 26i. So that is 1 minus, what is 27 times 9? It is 63 and 18, 243. So 1 minus 243 by 27 minus 26i. So that is minus 242 by 27 minus 26i. So this can also be written as minus 242 by 27 plus I into minus 26.